couple quick questions about COVID situation going on currently in employment and employers. I work for a major nationwide company, no names mentioned, but we've had, it seems like already, where people go out sick and employees were just kind of left in the dark. Nobody lets us know if somebody get tested or what the situation is going on, right. Including a supervisor or boss who just popped up on a Thursday and said, hey, by the way, I was in contact with some test positive, so corporate says I need to be out for 14 days. I'll be working from home, right. Which in turn means more work was put on us. We were actually doing more work than what was required. But in a nutshell, that 14 days we did not get any kind of updates or anything. But my spouse also worked for a major, corporate company, and if anybody goes out with a fever, sick, or ill, she knows within at least 24 hours or the next day, hey, somebody got tested, waiting for test results, and they find out right away. We're my company, nobody seems to know anybody, and we're all kind of, hey, are we going to get sick right. Or?
Dan, let me throw it over to you're breaking up just a little bit, but I think we got a kind of a good feel where you're going with this one. Matt, it's just a lot of uncertainty out there. I think Dan is expressing what a lot of us has felt in the workplace when people go out on the mandatory or volunteer quarantines. It affects the workplace, and it affects everything. And what are you seeing in your practice? What are you hearing, in the court systems?
Yeah, Dan is right. We're all kind of trying to search through this kind of slowly together. And some companies may be doing a little better job than others. You're right. And, we're just going to have to, as we said, kind of take it day by day. There are, the state legislature is considering, passing some laws to kind of address COVID issues and the responsibility of employers and things like that. As of yet, nothing has been passed. There's some things kind of being rolled around, and who knows where that'll kind of go. If something is passed, Kenny, we'll probably need to do a show on that if it comes down to it.
Yes.
But as of yet, it's just, bills working their way through. So I understand this frustration, and listen, I have an office, I've got employees, and everyone's nervous, and people are going out, and it's a difficult time, and I don't have any great answers for Dan at the moment. We're just going to have to kind of get through this together, and hopefully things will improve. Hopefully the lines of communication with this particular company will improve, and we just have to honestly hope for the best and take as best, whatever care we can to protect ourselves.
Matthew, only about 15 seconds left in the show tonight. What are your closing thoughts, my friend?
I just urge everyone to be safe and be careful. This stuff is, it's scary. My wife works at a local hospital, and people are, really suffering with this, and we just all have to just take some reasonable precautions, and I really hope everyone does that, and so we can get through this and, hopefully kind of work back to normal, which I know we're all looking forward to.